Imagine unfolding your phone and revealing a stunning 7.6-inch AMOLED display that feels like a mini tablet in your hand. With Samsung's latest Galaxy P1 5G, you get this powerful experience along with 5G speed, a top-tier camera system, and sleek durability that's water-resistant and scratch-resistant. Stick around to find out if this rumored device is truly worth the hype. Samsung's Galaxy P1 5G is said to offer some major upgrades to foldable tech. From its impressive camera capabilities to powerful Snapdragon chipset, there's a lot to explore about what makes this device one of the most anticipated foldables. Let's start with the design. The Galaxy P1 5G is rumored to sport an ultra-slim, foldable design. When unfolded, it's only 6.3 millimeters thick, making it feel light yet premium in hand. The front cover, when closed, is protected with Gorilla Glass Victus Plus 4 extra durability, and the back has an armor aluminum frame that makes it tougher against drops and scratches. Plus, the device is IPX8 water resistant, which means it can handle being underwater for up to 30 minutes at 1.5 meters. With a weight of around 263 grams, it's on the heavier side, but the slim, solid design balances it well. The display here is a highlight. The 7.6-inch foldable dynamic AMOLED 2X screen brings rich colors, deep blacks, and a smooth 120Hz refresh rate, which enhances gaming and scrolling. It also supports HDR10+, giving you higher brightness and contrast for more immersive viewing. With 120Hz, so even while folded, you get a quick and clear glance at your apps and notifications. Powering the Galaxy P1 5G is the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipset, a reliable processor for handling multitasking, high-end games, and heavy apps with ease. The device will run on Android 12L with Samsung's One UI 4.1.1, optimized for larger screens to give you a seamless foldable experience. With an octa-core CPU, this device manages power efficiently while keeping the performance high, as Samsung is generous with storage options here. The Galaxy P1 5G comes in three variants: 256GB with 12GB RAM, 512GB with 12GB RAM, and a massive 1TB with 12GB RAM. So, whether you're into gaming, video editing, or just need space for media files, there's a model for everyone. Unfortunately, there's no card slot, so choose your storage wisely. On the back, you'll find a triple camera setup, a 50MP wide sensor with dual pixel autofocus and optical image stabilization for capturing crisp shots even in low light, a 10MP telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom, and a 12MP ultra-wide lens perfect for landscape shots. The video capabilities are robust, with 4K at 60 frames per second and Euro EIS for stable footage. Up front, the 4MP under-display camera is hidden for a seamless screen look, and the cover display features a 10MP camera for sharp selfies. Battery life is another strong point, with a 4,400 mAh battery that should last you a full day on average use. Fast charging of 25W takes it to about 50% in just 30 minutes, while 15W wireless charging and 4.5W reverse wireless charging make it even more convenient to power up your Galaxy P1 5G and share battery with other devices. Audio quality is excellent with stereo speakers tuned by AKG, and though there's no 3.5mm jack, it supports high-res 32-bit/384 kHz audio. For connectivity, the Galaxy P1 5G is equipped with Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.2, NFC, ultra-wideband, UWB support, and a side-mounted fingerprint sensor, which is quick and accurate. The Galaxy P1 5G is rumored to be available in gray green, phantom black, beige, and burgundy colors, offering a range of styles. The pricing for this model is still speculative, but it's expected to compete in the premium range of foldables. The Samsung Galaxy P1 5G brings all the features you'd expect in a high-end foldable. With a fantastic AMOLED display, top-notch camera capabilities, and a durable yet sleek design, Samsung's new model has the potential to redefine foldable tech. If the rumors hold, the Galaxy P1 5G could be a worthy investment for anyone ready to experience the future of smartphones.